Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I will show you how to get Grok 4 system prompt. First, you can simply go and search on Google Grok 4, and once you search for it here, you can find these two options. You can go for the first one, Grok 4, and now here you have it. This is their official website. It looks like so. Now simply click on Try Grok, and here you have it. You have here the AI. You can chat with it. Just here, simply click on this option, then click on Unlock Grok 4. You'll have to sign in using your own email. So now I have signed in using my own Gmail account. And if you want to use the Grok 4, you should upgrade. When you click on upgrade, it will show here all the plans that you can actually get. You can get it for free, but you will use the Grok 3 only. You can even pay yearly if you want to get better discount. But for now, I have access only to Grok 3. But don't worry, once they upgrade this module, Grok 4 will be free to access. Let's say that I'm going to type how to differentiate between gold and silver. Let's say how they will act with the prompt. So here, as you can see, this is its answer. So it's just simply just like ChatGPT and other modules, but for starter, you need to upgrade. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, and goodbye.